My name is Chris Johnson. I'm the general manager for TechSource Machining, Hildale, Utah. TechSource started, my partners had a contract with a place and they were designing some stuff and they just couldn't find anybody that was going to be able to make the parts and produce what needed to be done, and so we bought this big machine, and from there we've just taken off and grown. That was about 3 years ago, and now we're just still manufacturing large parts for the same kind of contract. Right now we've dealt a lot in the government DoD type work, but we've definitely done a lot of other stuff as well. I went to school for machining back in 2005. After that I got machining jobs. I've been doing this for almost 20 years now. Honestly, this is one of the most exciting things to me. A lot of the stuff that we do, machining large parts like we have here, like that's something that's really been intriguing to me. I got involved with Kennametal. I used to be an applications engineer for the local Doosan dealer, and we would do shows and open houses and stuff a lot of times, and Kennametal would provide a lot of the tooling, and so we'd start using it, and I just seen the benefits of the products. You can run a lot faster with a lot of the tools that we run than you could with other competitors. So our go-to Kennametal tools are, we use the Stellram for all of our aluminum face milling. We have Dodeka that just provides beautiful finishes on parts. It hauls butt. It really works well. I definitely like using the GOdrills. We stocked a lot of sizes of GOdrill just because I don't want to go and have to run a high-speed tool or whatever. Just make it a 3-spindle coolant and run it, you know. And so we definitely utilize a lot of their products, or Kennametal's products. The Core 5 is honestly one of my favorite roughing tools for aluminum by far. The quality of the tools, they blow your mind. Like, they last a lot longer. We actually had a tool that's a competitor of the HARVI IV that we tried out, and it didn't maintain like the HARVI IV does. We were able to decrease our cycle times. We were able to increase the productivity of everything, and at the end of the day, I mean, it saved us a lot of time, about 20 hours. So it's a huge win for us. That's money, you know, and the fact that the tooling's really not that expensive in comparative to any other end mill that you're going to buy out there, that just makes it even that much more better. You know, spend a few extra bucks on something that's going to last, you know, like the HARVI IV. So when I think of Kennametal, I think the support that I get with my local reps, or just being able to call in or email whoever at Kennametal, the support that you get is by far phenomenal, like better than anywhere else that you see. We've been able to save money and save time running the tools, and the tools, you know, definitely make the product a lot better, especially once you get into such large parts. It's hard to find companies that make tooling that's big enough to even machine what we machine, you know. And so the fact that we're able to contact Kennametal and get the product and the feeds and speeds and everything that we need to be able to accomplish a lot of these big parts, that really sings to the crowd, you know.